Introducing the Allcut 40 magnetic drilling machine, from Allcut, the name trusted in precision drilling. Compact in size yet powerful enough to handle every job with ease. With an adjustable stroke of up to 100 mm, you get the flexibility to drill both shallow and deep holes, delivering precision and efficiency for every application. Driven by a robust 1400-watt motor, the highest in its category, the Allcut 40 combines raw power with effortless operation, ensuring you tackle the toughest jobs with speed, precision, and ease. Equipped with an intuitive control panel. Weighing only 10.5 kilograms, the Allcut 40 is designed for maximum portability and ease of use on any job site. Despite its compact size, it delivers precise drilling of up to 40 mm, showcasing a level of performance that outpaces typical machines in its class, setting new standards for power and efficiency in a lightweight design. The Allcut 40 magnetic drilling machine delivers unmatched power with its 1400-watt motor and intuitive controls. Lightweight at just 10.5 kilograms, it drills up to 40 mm with precision. With up to 100 mm of stroke adjustment, it adapts seamlessly to every drilling task, setting a new standard in its class. Cut time, cut cost, cut smart. That's Allcut.